So today we are going to draw a bird. So follow my steps. Then you have to make a circle, means like this. Then cover it, means like this, back. Okay. Then make a line like this. See, like this. Okay, means you don't see. Okay, see now. Okay, line this. Okay. Then also make line like this. Inside, see this line. Okay, then make inside a line. Then draw line here, means here to here joined. See, I will join. So see, I joined. Then here to here make a line. Okay, see this, here to here make a line. Okay, then here to here make a line. I will do line. Okay, here to here line. Then make a curved line like this. Okay, see. Then make a circle, big circle near this end to a line. Then draw some hole in the circle, means see this is circle. Then we have to make some circles in the circles. Then color all, but do not go this color inside these small balls. Okay, I will color. See, I color. Now your bird is, your first head is ready of bird. Now you're gone like this stripes in here. See, like this stripes. Then make her legs here. Okay, you make legs, I will back. Okay.